Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and this is our third video in the Ask the Flooring Pro video series. What we're doing on our website is we're taking a list of questions that our customers ask us every day on all kind of different flooring topics. It could be product questions on ceramic or vinyl plank or hardwood or carpet or area rugs. It could be cleaning and maintenance questions. It could be questions on how much does certain things cost? How can we save money? You name it, we get asked the questions all the time. So what we're doing is we're taking these questions one by one and we're making short little videos and we're hosting them on our website, and we're just relaying the answers to our viewers for each of these questions. So the question on this video is about vinyl plank flooring, and if you're familiar with vinyl plank flooring, it's probably the fastest growing product in the floor covering world. If you go into any floor covering store, probably 30 to 40% of the store is going to be filled with vinyl plank samples. It's a very, very popular product. It's got a lot of benefits. It's got some beautiful patterns to it, and it's just hot. It's a hot product right now. Well, people want to know, how long do you have to wait to walk on your vinyl plank flooring once it's installed? So it's a very interesting question, and what I always tell people is, because there's so many different manufacturers of vinyl plank flooring in the marketplace, you always want to read the installation instructions that come with your product. If you're having it professionally installed, certainly make sure you get that information and you read up on it, because you want to make sure that on your new floor that you do everything that you're supposed to do to maintain your warranty. But as a general rule, what they tell you is 24 hours. Now, in reality, you're okay really to walk on that floor as soon as it's put down. Once your installer gets that floor down, whether it's a click together floor or a glue down floor, it's not going to hurt your floor to walk on it. So to make a long story short, how long do you need to wait to walk on your vinyl plank floor? I would say safely 24 hours, but if you don't have 24 hours to wait, you can walk on your floor as soon as it's installed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this series we're just getting started. This is just episode 3 of our Ask the Flooring Pro series. You can find all of these videos at bestrugprices.com. We'd love for you to check them out, and write in a question. If you have a question on floor covering, we'd love to hear it, and we'll make a video about it. Thanks.